Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis. Let's come to the point. Nifty again takes support from near 11,000 and closed near 11,150. So my observation in the present scenario of Nifty is if it sustain above 11,250 to 300, it will try for 11,500 to 700 zone. Otherwise, if Nifty breaks and sustain below 11,000 on closing basis, then it will try to range bound in between 10,800 to 11,250. Let's come to Nifty chart. Again, Nifty comes to its major support, that 11,000, and reverse from that support. So as per chart formation, if Nifty takes range bound in between 11,000 to 11,250 to 300, otherwise above 11,300 it will try for 11,500 to 700 range, or if it breaks 11,000 then it will reverse from 10,800. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed near its reversal support zone, that near 20,800. So for now, if Bank Nifty sustain above 21,200 to 500, then it's likely try for 22,000 plus zone again. Else, if it slips below 21,000, it's try to maintain a range bound move between 20,500 to 21,000 and reverse from the strong support zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty reversed from its near 20,800. So as per chart formation, if it sustain above 21,000, it will try to move up further. Otherwise, it will sustain in between 20,800 to 21,500. As per my exploration, there have some trading opportunity for index future. That's are for Nifty future. There have a crucial resistance for Nifty future, that 11,400. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances. That's are 11,265 and 11,320. There have a crucial support for Nifty future, that 10,800. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 11,089 and 11,000. Same as for Bank Nifty future, there have a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future, that 21,789. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that's 21,500 and 21,682. Same as for Bank Nifty future, there have a crucial support for Bank Nifty future, that 20,765. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's 21,086 and 20,800. As per my exploration, there have some volatile stocks for intraday trading with trading range and midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustain above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustain below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for reversal support with resistance as midpoint. Emami Limited. If Emami Limited sustain above its midpoint 365, that's my typing mistake, with increases volume, it's likely try for 390, its upper resistance. Same as if it sustain below its midpoint, that 365, with increases volume, it's likely reverse from its lower range, that 355. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint. Emami Limited, that LTP is 367. PNB Housing, that LTP is 326. Hindustan Unilever, LTP is 2052. Apollo Hospital, that LTP is 1817. Kolpal, that LTP is 1354. Ipca Lab, that LTP is 2135. UPL, that LTP is 532. Titan, that LTP is 1117. IRCTC, that LTP is 1372. CDSL, that LTP is 479. You can mail me on my mail ID, or you can join my Telegram channel, that link given below in my video description. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for further update. Thank you viewer, thank you very much.